later.
Any more wire?
Just that. Mark Jackson, MLFO,
Do you think?
make that YouTube money.
Right.
See, that's who we need to be, scrapping that kind of stuff. That's an old loader bucket or something? What is that?
Well, that looks like fun.
Doesn't it though?
The claw.
Well, would a claw be more fun or an electromagnet? That's what I would want to try both.
Oh, look at the cab.
Oh, that's cool. Nice.
That's pretty cool.
That would be a fun toy to have.
Yeah. Just out in the backyard.
That's pretty cool.
Dear, I have some more organizing that I have to do.
Yeah, you do. That's awesome. Like, the people who work here just play around all day, I'm sure. Like, they don't have to do anything. That is so awesome.
It's so random looking.
Oh my goodness.
Looks like an upside down flower.
He's off the scale, I'm on the scale. Balance beam. Howdy. 2 water heaters.
I didn't do it. What name you on there so good?
Mark Jackson.
All right, Mark, just drop back right now.
Thank
Get
you.
all the stuff down there and throw her in there.
Good deal.
Yep, thank you.
Unfortunately, these are big enough we won't be able to throw them very far.
Yep.
That doesn't look like junk.
He's getting rid of a whole bed or something. We can take it home.
So, I guess you have to lower the cab and then get out of that thing.
I would have, well, that or jump.
He's still in it. He's just up there looking. Good view, huh? Mm-hmm. 4 hydraulic actuators. Or 5. Wait.
Yep.
You don't want nails or something?
Not in my tires. Easy, Sparky. check out the clock. That's the way to do it.
That's so cool. That's great.
What more could you want in life? A lot of scrap metal from people today. Off the scale.
I mean, on this condition, it wouldn't matter at all.
No. £160. Same as before, I think.
All right, sir. I thank you.
Thank you.
Y'all have a good day.
You as well.
All right, good day yet, I guess.
Look at all these cool people coming in here with their truckloads, Mark.
Look, I do what I can. Shut that off.